How to crop video on Kinemaster. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can crop video on Kinemaster. The process itself is relatively easy. In order to crop the video, simply open up Kinemaster, go ahead and create a new project and select the aspect ratio that you would like. Once you select it, what you want to do now, the trick here is don't select the video directly. First, just download a plain background or create it with the camera by clicking it and then set your plain background here. You can increase the length as well as you can see the duration of the image. Once you do so, you want to tap on layer option right there, tap on media option, and then this time select the video that you would like to crop. Then once you crop it here, you want to add it, adjust it here, and now you can tap on the video. And here you should be able to see the option that is cropping. Now if you select directly here, you won't get the cropping option here. If I show it to you, you can see there is no any cropping option. So you want to select it second and then add it as a layer and then crop it. And once you crop it here, you can adjust it and you can increase the size here. Now I have done the aspect ratio randomly, so you can select any proper aspect ratio and then proper video that you have and then crop it respectively. So this is how you can crop a video on Kinemaster. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.